The iPhone 10 may be landing in your hands very soon, and if you're curious what's inside the box, this is an iPhone 10. And we're gonna unbox it and show you what's inside the packaging. Now from the outside, the 10 is in a pretty iPhone familiar box. White box, graphic on the front, you know the drill. We'll open it up and show you what comes inside. So far, just like another iPhone that you may have gotten before, a recent iPhone, the little packet here with the instructions or the micro instructions. You've got stickers, you've got the fine print. Here's the 10 on top. Now this is the silver model. So both iPhones have black fronts, but the color changes depending on the back. And it's like a nice heft to it. Steel sides, and we're gonna take that plastic off the thing. So now the iPhone 10 is out in the open. There it is, and below it, you've got, similar to other iPhones, the standard power adapter right here. And we've also got Lightning headphones with the dongle, which has been standard since the iPhone 7, which comes included. And of course, these headphones have Lightning. And underneath here, you've got your Lightning cable. And that's it. That's what's inside the iPhone 10 package. So it really does feel, packaging-wise, like the iPhone 8, like the iPhone 8 Plus, similar design inside. The phone does feel a lot like an iPhone 7 or an iPhone 8. It feels denser, it's a little bit thicker, has a nice feel, it's glossy, and let me turn it on for a sec. Turning on, notice no home button, of course. The camera placement shifted, so now it's vertical. And we'll see what happens when it comes up. The iPhone 10, its key features are, of course, the true depth camera on front, which takes over part of the otherwise full screen, and it's an OLED display this time. Also, this has a slightly different camera inside. This has an improved telephoto with optical image stabilization. So that's another big feature. So basically display that camera, which can do 3D depth sensing and takes over the biometrics, Face ID, which replaces Touch ID, and that's it. So you basically can see the display here. It feels bigger, but it's also longer, and so it's slightly different screen dimensions than the 8 Plus or the 7 Plus. So that's a look at what's inside the box with the iPhone 10. I'm Scott Stein here at CNET. Stay tuned for a lot more.